Hello and good morning. Today I am going to discuss about the mechanism of alcohol to alkene. First step is protonation of the OH group at the alcohol. The OH group will become the nucleophile site. This OH group will become the nucleophile site. Nucleophile site will attack the electrophile site. The OH will become the nucleophile site because it will become the alpha bond because it have functional group here. So the functional group is OH, so OH will become the alpha bond. And then if there are nucleophile site, there will be a electrophile site too. So who will become the electrophile site? H atom, because H atom from the H2SO4 is more electropositive than the O atom. So the H will become the electrophile site. The OH will attack the H atom. OH here will attack the H atom and forming intermediate protonated alcohol, and oxygen ion is also formed here. Second step is formation of carbocation by removing water. Bond between the two carbon and oxygen will break. This secondary carbon here will break. The bond will break to become the secondary carbocation and forming water. The secondary carbocation here is an intermediate carbon, so the bond is weak. Third step is rearrangement. As 2-carbocation is unstable, 1 2-metal shift will occur to form the more stable carbocation. How? By shifting one metal from blue carbon to red carbon here. Thus, 3-carbocation is formed in the blue carbon. That means one metal group from the blue carbon will shift to this red carbon, so that the carbocation can form in this blue carbon by forming tertiary carbocation, which is the most stable carbocation. The last step is deprotonation, loss of proton. In these steps, oxygen ion will bind with 1 H in carbon red to form back acid, which is sulfuric acid or H2SO4, and forming alkene. This carbocation will become alkene, and also acid will form. One alkyl group from the red carbon will form carbon-carbon double bond with the blue carbon. Blue and red will become, this blue and red carbon will forming carbon-carbon double bond. The H atom from the red carbon will bind with O ion here and become acid. More stable alkene is formed because the carbon-carbon double bond attached to more alkyl group. Based on the set-Zep rule, the more stable alkene is where the carbon-carbon double bond attached to more alkyl group, because as we can see here, this carbon here have 1, 2, and 3 alkyl group, whereas this carbon here have 1, 2 alkyl group. So this carbon-carbon double bond attached to the carbon with tertiary carbon, and also here tertiary carbon. That's all from me. Thank you.